I love Canyon Lake. When it's just too hot to ride, my wife and I hit the lake to cool down. I spent a lot of hot summer days jet skiing and enjoying this beautiful lake. But today was a completely different experience at the lake. We rode Madrone, which runs all around Canyon Park and along the lake. It was windy and cold, at least for us Texans. You may notice a difference in video. I'm using the GoPro Hero 7 Black again. I'm sort of hoping to make the switch from the Rilo to the Hero 7. I cranked down my chest harness, and firmware updates seem to have fixed some of the weird stabilization. Don't get me wrong, it's still a little odd and shaky, but the video is so good looking. I think you can see more depth in the trail and see the features a little better too. I have to apologize. My camera should have been pointed up more, so this video will be a little frustrating to watch. I also don't have the settings dialed in or a wind muffler yet, so the audio is really weird. This half of the ride is shot on the Hero 7. The next video is shot on the Rilo, and that's the other half of this trail, so I can get some kind of comparison. I'm still sort of in the middle on this, but I'm really starting to lean more towards the Hero 7. Ugh. There's that lake wind. That's a big one. Oh, a little soggy down here. Is this that drop? Holy hell. Oh, I think I can do that.
Yeah, I do it. Follow me again.
Sure, you probably could see the fear in my eyes as I fly off.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh. Oh my God. No. Oh. Holy hell. Ah, okay. Oh man. Really hope the camera angle's right. Oh God. All right, that's the one I skipped last time. Dang. Still getting left in the dust. Oh man. Oh. Hey, some flow. Oh God, I went down the scary side. Oh, I thought we were done. Yeah. So that's it for part 1. Let me know how you think the Hero 7 performed. Would you be willing to watch footage like this? As long as I fix the camera angle and get the audio a little bit better, of course. Subscribe if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Be sure to watch next week so you can see the Rilo version of this. Thanks for watching.